when I was healing, so watch out.
Really? He pulled the other person off of him. Wow.
You want me to heal you?
No, I got me. Actually, let me heal you.
Oh, okay, thank you. And he's standing right over there, too.
I know.
Thank you for the kindred over there, buddy. We gotta heal up before we can
You
come
go
get
for one,
you
I'll
guys.
go for the other, I guess.
Yeah. You want to go for the hill or the down?
Down below, because I'm instant dead.
Alright. I'm gonna go work on a gen.
He's after me.
No, he's on the hill. He's watching. He is literally
Again?
camping, so yeah, he's not after you. I just jumped. Oh my god. Are you watching this? You're really gonna watch this. I can't do a gen. I'm literally jumping in place. Oh my god. I'm gonna have this. I'm slowly getting this gen going. There we go. Oh my god, this guy's got this game glitched so bad right now. Oh lord, she was the upset.